Greedy Cat and the Sneeze. Written by Joy Cowley. Illustrated by Robin Belton. Greedy Cat and the Sneeze. Greedy Cat sat on the kitchen mat. Snuffle and wheeze, sniffle and sneeze.
"Oh," said Katy, "my cat is ill. He's got a cold. He needs a pill."
But Greedy Cat cried,
"Meow, meow, meow."
He wanted food and meow meant now. Katy said, "I know what's wrong. You need food to make you strong."
Meow, meow, meow.
Sniffle and sneeze. Meow meant now and meow meant please, so Katy gave him some stew with peas. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Greedy Cat sat by the big fridge door.
Meow, meow, meow.
He wanted more. Katy gave him a chunk of cheese. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Sniffle and sneeze.
"You're still sick,"
Katy said to her pet.
"I think we should take you to the vet."
But Greedy Cat cried,
"Meow, meow, meow."
He wanted food and meow meant now. So Katy filled his empty dishes. She gave him milk, she gave him fishes. She gave him steak and some jelly meat. She gave him as much as he could eat. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Greedy Cat lay on his back on the mat. He could not move, he was far too fat. Snuffle and wheeze, sniffle and sneeze. Katy called to her dad,
"Please come quick. Poor old Greedy Cat is sick."
"Goodness," said Dad. "What is that? A furry pillow or a big fat cat? Katy, your pet is far too greedy. That is why he's looking seedy." Greedy Cat stirred, snuffle and wheeze. He sniffled a sniff, then sneezed a huge sneeze.
Chew! Chew!
Out came the food in a shower of squishes, jelly meat and steak, milk and fishes, the chunk of cheese and the stew with peas. They all came out in that giant sneeze. Then, last of all, came a wet fur ball. It wasn't the flu, Katy's dad said. It wasn't a cough or a cold in the head. He had some fur stuck in his throat. It's what a cat gets from licking his coat. The real problem, I have to say, is too many dinners every day. This cat is like a pudding with feet. Katy, don't give him so much to eat.
"Sorry," said Katy. "That was wrong. I was only trying to make him strong."
"He'll be strong," said Dad, "if he eats less. Now, Katy dear, let's clean up this mess." Greedy Cat sat by the big fridge door.
"Meow, meow, meow."
He wanted more. He looked at Katy.
"Meow, meow, meow."
Meow meant please, and meow meant now. But Katy smiled and shook her head.
"Come and get a cuddle instead."